Hello everybody! Today I will show you how to use the SurveyVisualizR application. It's done in R and Shiny, and you will see in this video how to use and to use it for visualize the answer of some surveys questions. The start page is this kind of page with a little text presenting the project. Here in this video, it's the application to a big survey done during the Diver Impacts project. It's the first survey in the WIPI1. A survey among for analyze crop diversification across Europe. Here in the help page, you will see some tips and how to start and so on. You see here above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main tabs that we will pass from one to another today to show how it works. The first one is plot. You will see basic plot for plotting a big question. You can choose which question you want see results here in the left panel. You see that the graph is dynamic and the graph is updating by itself. Here is the basic kind of graphs. You have an option here. If you want some number on the graph, you can choose number. You see number that appear in each bar. If you prefer percents, then you choose the other, and you see percents that can be shown here. You see that it's global answers from the whole groups of the people. If you want to analyze more precisely this kind of graph, you can choose here a first criteria. Maybe I will add another one time, but now it's only one criteria by colors. You can color this graph, and you can choose all factor questions of the surveys. I will choose another variable that I compute myself, and it is the region of Europe, the four main European region: Western Europe, Southern Europe, Northern Europe, and Eastern Europe. And you see that your graph is coloring now from this blue with the four factors, the four levels of these variables. You see that I cannot show numbers now. I have to add that, but now it's not possible to see the answer in this part. If you want to compare one bar with another, maybe you want to have a kind of fill chart, and then it's here, position of the bar. You can choose fill. Then you can see if you want in proportion of each bar. You see some bar have been answered by less people, but maybe you want to see if people have answered this one, in which region they come from. You can choose also dodge. It's not so useful, but the two other are great. If you see you can understand that the output, the graph, will change regarding to the kind of question. Example, if I choose another kind of question with other characteristic, 3.4.1, it's quite the same, but you will see that something changed. It's that we have here a kind of text that it's an option, other fields, with free text available for these questions. You can see here that some people from Western Europe only choose other, have you have evaluated drawbacks as important for your initiative? Please specify which agronomic parameters. Maybe we don't have list all parameters, and you can choose the option other to see the free text answer that people, not many but 5 people, choose this criteria and add some precision for us for our understanding. That's another kind of option here. If some question have comments, you can see comments here. It's another option. I will choose another kind of question that will be really different now. You will see 1.4.3 maybe, this one. Please describe shortly the applied new intercropping. People have chosen intercropping, and we want more, and it's a free text answer, only a free text answer, and this kind of output is only text for each category. And you see that our criteria for the comparison regarding to regions of Europe is still working now. Eastern Europe, these are the answer for Eastern Europe, Northern Europe, Southern Europe, and Western Europe, if you want to analyze more qualitatively all these answers. If you want to see another kind of graphs, you can see I can choose maybe the 3.4. I hope it will be okay. Yes, it's a kind of Likert scale. You have to you know that in survey you have to say if you are agree, little, slightly agree, moderately agree, very agree. Here it's this kind of questions. You have here 2 scales. And then you have this kind of graphs that can be produced, and with also the option with fill for comparing bars between together. Okay, that's for the plots. You have it works with all kind of graphs and all criteria. I will show you the second tab here, the second main tab. In fact, it's the third one here. It's not working for that, but maybe I will select first a not so complicated question. It's the 1.4, and you have, in fact, in this tab, the table, the contingency table for that. If you have new catch crop, yes or not selected, and here you can retrieve the four levels of the criteria. If I don't see, if I only show you one group, you will see that it's the plot is linked like with that kind of graphics. I will show a number here. No, I will show number 90, 38, 37, and you will find it here. 19, 38, 37 for the yes answered. That's for the table. If you want to export that, you can select and export. Another one is the map. You will see that it will work also for I will take this 1.4 question. What was done? Do you include a new crop mixture? Maybe we can see intercropping. We have to update this because the mapping process is a little slower. Then we have to update view. And you see here in Europe the case studies of Europe that are colored regarding to the answer to this question. Not selected, yellow here. Yes, it is selected. Then intercropping was applied. You see blue one. If you want to analyze more precisely here in Belgium, maybe this kind of you can zoom. You see that some case study will be in the C. It's because I had fuzzy kind of fuzzification of the localization for a graphical purpose. That's for this tab. The last tab and the last part of this video will be the reporting so if you want to create and export some report, it can be interesting for printing, for viewing at screen, or sharing with other people. You can select maybe some variables, some questions here in the main table, the big table. You have all questions of our survey. You select one format: PDF, HTML, Word. If that's what you want. I will produce a PDF, generate the report. I hope it will work now. Yes, it opened this kind of window. Open with. I will just open now, and I have a PDF that I can maybe export or print for something can be bettering. I see that something have to be bettering, but globally all this stuff work. HTML, you want to see HTML here. I will open with Firefox here. In other window, you see that text questions appear, graphical questions appear. All that's mainly text questions. Okay. That's for full report, or for reporting many questions at the same time. If you have seen that in the first in the main tab I show plot here, you maybe you have seen that you can export a graph that you want. You can save the image, but you can also, if you like this plot, create a kind of small report, a rapid report. I will try the Word for that. Generate a report. Open LibreOffice. It's charging, and I don't know where is it. My report. Okay, you cannot see it because it's another program, but it is produced. Okay, I think that's we made the whole possibilities of the application. I hope it's clear for you. Something can be in development for bettering the graphs or the report, but globally it can be used by partners, and I say you bye bye then.